Yesterday I did a little diagnostic to my car, trying to look for other problem. But I said I have an issue with my air mass flow sensor. It's located here. And first thing you always can do is just like clean it. Just use this spray, special spray. I actually got like many years ago, so good just to have it. And you need torque 20. And the air mass sensor is like located. You can see your engine. And here, just press this down and try to slide it off. I already like unbolted it, so easier for me. And then just unscrew it. After you unbolted this, take out screws. Put it somewhere safe. And that's how you get access to this one. And you can just like spray this area with this spray cleaner. You can see this little metal piece, maybe it's with some dirt or dust. You can do it from other sides as well and let it dry. And on the motor's first price you probably couldn't see, but I put a lot of spraying there, so be generous and make sure that you visibly can see that all dirt go away. Try not to touch it, just with this spraying tool. So let's dry it. I wouldn't say it's 100% like clean. If I look from this side, it's like I would say 95% cleaner than before, and I think it should be enough to see some improvement. And finally, just when it's dried, install it back as it was. Just make connection back as well, bolt it down and give it a try.